Welcome to the President's Diary, where we take a look at His Excellency Dr. Mohamed Irfaan Ali's week of activities. His Excellency began his week by honoring the life and legacy of Dr. Chetty Jagan. Speaking at the Jagan Memorial Monument at Babujan, Quarantine Berbice, President Ali explained why it is important to honor the life and legacy of Dr. Jagan.
When we come here, we are not celebrating the stage. We are celebrating your labor of love and hard work that keep the memory of Dr. Jagan, the legendary work of Dr. Jagan alive.
During his address, the President made a surprising announcement, one that will ease the strain on the pockets of drivers.
As we celebrate the remarkable legacy of Dr. Jagan, that with effect from August the 1st, the crossing at Demerara, Berbice and Wisma is free of cost.
Later in the evening, the President joined hundreds of Muslims for iftar, the meal that opens the fast in the month of Ramadan. Members of the Friar Sunnatul Masjid in Quarantine Berbice were excited to interact with the President. President Irfaan Ali accepted the letters of credence from the Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Republic of Colombia, His Excellency Graper and Livingston Forbes, at the office of the President. The presence of the ambassador will facilitate greater bilateral relations between the two countries. The tremendous strides made in the healthcare system is about to get an even bigger overhaul by the year 2030. This is going to be made possible through an innovative collaboration between Guyana, Mount Sinai Health System, and HES Corporation. A memorandum of understanding was signed on Tuesday, which would result in a US $125 million investment in the project. This partnership will result in a national cancer center, upgrading current facilities, introducing a digital health system, and expanding community care. President Dr. Mohamed Irfaan Ali revealed that very soon there will be an integrated electronic health record system.
In the next 7 months, you will have, for the Georgetown Hospital for sure, and all the other regional hospitals, including West End, Linden, New Amsterdam, Lethem, and all the new regional hospitals under construction. In 7 months, we'll have the electronic mobile app through which patients can schedule their appointment at these hospitals. Health updates will be on your mobile phone, and your reminder, your medical reminder on your medication will be available on your medical phone, on your mobile phones.
On Wednesday, President Ali commissioned a $447 million Deaton Commercial Registry Authority building at Sudi in Region 2. The modern edifice is the first building in Guyana dedicated to the services and operations of the Deaton Commercial Registry Authority. During his keynote address, President Ali stated that access to justice is not a privilege, but a fundamental right of every citizen.
That is why we're strengthening our legal architecture. We're doing so because the rule of law must be something that every citizen can rely on. The moment justice feels out of reach, corruption grows and trust diminishes. We must never let that happen in Guyana.
The President visited the Sudi Public Hospital, where he met with the management, staff, and patients to get an understanding of the services being provided. During the visit, he instructed the Ministry of Health to collaborate with the hospital stakeholders and to implement initiatives that would ensure better patient care. On Thursday, a joint press conference was hosted by President Irfaan Ali and Marco Rubio, Secretary of State of the United States of America.
I am very pleased at the reassurance of the U.S. in ensuring the safeguard of our territorial integrity and sovereignty. Our partnership and joint commitment to the safeguard of this region from every disruptive force is key to the maintenance of democracy and adherence to the rule of law.
On Saturday, President Ali gave the feature address at the launch of the Guyana Learning Channel's 6 digital channels.
The digital school will be complementing each other so that our children can learn in an environment that they will have to operate in. 5 years from now or less, your children will be operating in a completely new environment. An environment that is highly digitized, an environment in which AI, artificial intelligence, will be playing the lead role, and humans will be playing the more supervisory analytical role.
The president met with residents in Lagrange, West Bank, Demerara, where he addressed their concerns and reiterated his government's developmental plans.
We have a very clear strategy and a very clear plan that would make Guyana the energy capital of the region, the food capital of the region, among the best nature-based tourism destination in the region, the education capital of the region, the health capital of the region, and the country with the most defined infrastructure to support growth and development. A country in which prosperity will come to every single home.
This is the President's Diary. Thank you for watching, and do join us again next time.